Hi guys, Roger Wakefield here today to show you how easy it is to install the new American Standard Beale MeasureFill kitchen faucet. It's a very unique faucet. What it is, it's precise measurement from half a cup to 5 cups, from 4 ounces to 40 ounces. It will precisely measure the exact amount of water you need. If you're a cook or a baker, this is great for you. No more measuring cups, just put your pot under and get exactly the amount of water you need. This is a very easy installation, and what we're going to do today is show you how easy it is by installing it right here. So let's get ready to Roger this. What I love about this piece with the opening here, you don't have to slide the entire nut all the way up the hoses now. With the opening, adjust your screws, get it right where you want it, slide it in, and then start your threads. Once you get it snug, take a screwdriver, tighten up your 3 screws. Make sure you've got your faucet aligned the way that you want it, because this, once you tighten this down, the faucet on top will not move, so make sure you've got it lined up before you tighten your screws. It also has the mounting brackets in case you want to put screws in the wall and hang it that way. For today, we're going to mount it with the very strong adhesive strips that it has. So guys, I showed you how easy it was to install the new Beale MeasureFill kitchen faucet. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. One simple touch, it's on. One simple touch, it's off. The good thing about it, spray and strain. This also comes in polished chrome, and as you can see, we have it here in stainless steel. Very easy installation, very easy to do. Another thoughtful product brought to you from American Standard. And that's how you Roger that.